We are going to look at logarithms and exponents very briefly. A logarithm is a fancy way to write an exponent. So what we would look at if we had a problem like some base to a power would equal a number. For example, 3 squared is 9, and our 3 is the base, and the 2 is the exponent, and I'm going to call the 9 just the regular number. Well, to write this as a logarithm, what we say is log, short for logarithm, of our base, so log base number, equals the exponent. So how we convert this expression is we write the word log. Our base is the 3, so we put the 3 down on the base. It's a little bit smaller. And then the regular number, 9, equals the exponent. 2 is the exponent, so that's what it's equal. So I just always remember in my head a logarithm is an exponent because is means equals. So let's go into our IXL and take a look at this. So we are asked to write the exponential equation in logarithmic form. So our base is this 9. 9 to the 1 is 9, that's true. Excuse me. So when we rewrite that, our little base down here is going to be the 9. It's this 9, the one that's the base. Oh, in this problem, log base 8 of 1 equals 0. So our base is 8, so we have the 8 as the base. The logarithm equals an exponent, so 0 is the exponent. And then this regular number 1 just stays there. So trying again, log base 6 of 1 equals 0. So our base is 6. Our exponent is the part that the log is equal to. So we would just say that's 0. Now this one looks like it's missing a part because it just says log 10. When there is no base given, we assume that it's 10 because we have a base 10 system. So the base here, even though it's invisible, is 10. So we've got 10 to the exponent, which is 1, equals this 10. These two 10s are the same. So now we have log base 10. It's invisible, but it's there. Log base 10 of 1 equals 0. Our base is 10. Our power is 0. And then our number is 1. And then we have 4 squared, so our base is 4. Our exponent is 2. 16 is the number. So that would be a log base 4 of 16 would give us 2. And we'll just continue through R1 until we reach a SMART score of 80.